Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Ready for another pour? That's not a pour, sort of. Alright, so we have a whole bunch of paints left over from the egg carton pour yesterday. I was going to do another egg carton pour, and then I thought, nah, let's do a swipe instead. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a swipe today. We're going to use the paints that are all left over from the egg carton pour in the last project. I don't remember all of these. If you go back to the egg carton pour, it goes through every single one of these colors in detail. Everything's mixed pretty much one-to-one with Liquitex pouring medium into the 1, 2, 3 big cups, and for some reason I picked this little cup also. I have squirted a scant squirt of coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. It will probably produce some cells. We'll find out. I'll link to this below if you're interested in giving it a try. I don't have any straight silicone to add, so that's what I'm adding instead because I have that. And pretty much we are going to pour our paints sort of willy-nilly on the canvas, and then we are going to do a swipe, which is something I haven't done yet, so let's give it a shot. In general, I'm going to go with vertical lines. I have probably a lot more paint still than this canvas requires. Okay, I'm just not blending, just filling in the gaps. It's exactly the same thing. Now let's swipe and see what happens. Alright, so I am choosing to swipe with a bit of paper towel. And this fits exactly across this canvas this way. And I am just going to lay it gently into the paint, the very edge, have it rest on, oh, about ½ an inch. Like that. There we go, and I'm just going to pull this down. And the weight of the paint just sort of swipes everything to one side. We'll see what we get. Touch my sides here while I've got this paint. Okay, well that's interesting. Let's torch. Now an interesting thing would be to swipe from up here down. Again, we risk muddying things if we do that, but I'm tempted to try it anyway, just to bring out some of the other colors. Let's try this. See what happens. Mmm. Touch up my sides. Okay. That is pretty. What do you think? Pretty pretty, huh? Alright, you know what? We're going to let it sit for a few minutes and see what happens. Because I see the cells popping up. I'm back. I really like how this has developed. I love the cells, all the different colors pushing up through. I love how the metallics are making it sparkle. Definitely glad I chose to do the second swipe. That is just lovely. All right, let's go in for a closer look. Lower right hand corner. Up the right side. Upper right hand corner, and across the top. I especially like where the aqua pokes through there, the gold. Upper left corner, and down the left hand side. To the lower left corner. Some of these cells are just really lovely. Look at that. Let's see if I can show you the metallics here. Some of the gold shimmering through. And the purple coming up through the aqua. Oh, really happy with this. I didn't know one way or the other how I'd feel about swipes. Sometimes they look really cool, other times, well, in my opinion, other times not so much, I guess. But that's a cool spot there. Let me know what you think, folks. What's your favorite swipe to do with what material? Let's take her up for the full shot. Sorry about the glare. Come on, get in frame. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.